lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is finally time for another Spooky Box Club unboxing. I've been waiting for this for ages because it got like, not lost in the mail, but seemingly like stuck in the mail. Just they had it, but it was just there for ages and it was a whole thing. But we've got it. I don't like the term, but I like the theme. It's the Health Goth box. Do you remember when people were trying to make Health Goth like a fashion thing? But no, what this is like stuff around, you know, getting fit, which I think it was around October time I was like really into sort of like trying to get like active and healthy, and it was actually going really well until the weather went crap and everything. But I remember thinking around that time like, oh man, I wish Spooky Box Club would come out with like a gym or workout themed box, but I bet they probably wouldn't. And then like a few months later I was actually talking to the owner and it turned out they were working on this box, and I was like, that's so weird, that's exactly what I wanted. So anyway, after all that ramble, basically I wanted this for ages and now it exists. I certainly don't look gym ready today, but I have been wanting to try to get a little bit back into it. Not that we can really get super active outside at the minute, but I do have some space in my attic for that kind of thing. So I am very interested to know what's in here. Okay, so this is what we've got. So there was a little piece of paper on top that was a bit of a spoiler for something, but I'm just gonna take that away and like, okay, ooh, was it a spoiler for something? Right, alright. So there's something that's supposed to be in here, but it's not. That's what it was. So it's not in here because everything going on in the world, businesses closing, basically there's a shipment they were supposed to get and didn't, so we'll be getting something that was supposed to be in here at a later date whenever things start back up again, which is fair. And it's a really cool little water bottle. I'll show you the picture so you can see what we're expecting. It's that. I am really excited to get that. I'm so sad that it couldn't be shipped out, but obviously I understand, but I'm pretty pumped to get that. That looks very handy. So yeah, that's not in here unfortunately, but we'll get into what is in here. So first off, something. Oh, is this like a headband? I think this is like a sweat headband. Oh, that's cool. I don't want to ruin everything, but yeah, no, I always need things like this because like that's the thing I hate the most about working out is getting sweaty. I hate being sweaty so much. That's why I like swimming as a form of exercise, because you can't get sweaty because you're already wet. So yeah, that's the part I hate the most. And if it's like running down my face when I'm trying to like be on the cross trainer or something. So that is handy. It's like nice and soft. It's a nice soft material. It has a cool little moon. So yeah, that'll be very good. I can't wait till I can like actually go back to the gym and like be over the top and have spooky themed workout stuff. My cough is almost gone, but it's lingering, but it's actually getting a lot better. So yes, we have this cool little headband. Oh, there's a pin in here. Oh, that's cute. It says running from my demons. That'd be cute to like attach to your little running jacket or something. Next up, ooh, I've been meaning to buy some of these for the longest times and I just never do. It's a set of 3 of like this type of hair tie. I've never used these before, but I know they're supposed to be like better for your hair somehow. It seems like it would be worse for your hair just by what it is, but apparently these are meant to be much better. So that is good to have, and I'm always out of baubles, so this is great. So we've got a black one, a sort of pinky purple one, and a clear one. So yeah, good to have to tie the old hair up at the gym. I'm just gonna like shove all this in my gym. Well, I'm gonna use it for now, but whenever things get back to normal, I'm gonna keep it all in my gym bag so I don't forget it. We have some even the candy this month is kind of like sporty themed. It's tennis balls. I don't know if you have these in America, but this is like definitely, I remember these from when I was a kid. In the UK, I think they're gum, are they? Yeah, bubble gum. They're like little bubble gum balls, but they look like tennis balls. Ooh, next up there is, oh, is this a little towel? Because if it is, yes. It is! Oh my god, yes, because I actually have my other one here. So like this is the one I had before for the gym, but like, it's not super cute. But now I have this one and it is super cute. It's lots of little skulls and bones. That is freaking perfect. It has a little like hanger and everything. And again, it's just great for like at the gym when your hands are sweaty. I just like being able to, and you know, things like that. So this is perfect. I really wanted a cute little gym towel. Could not find one anywhere, because believe me, back like in October when I was like, you know, I am being active and healthy, I went on such a search for like spooky themed gym anything. It was like a whole big struggle. But now I have this and I am pretty pumped about that. Yes. Okay, and finally, oh, 2 more things in here. Yeah. So one is a little print and it says, "You got this," but it, do you see the secret little itch? So it's kind of like, "You got this." That's really, really cute. Love it. Oh, I could like put this up above my little like desk area. I do got this. And then the other thing is a daily workout tracker. Oh, cool. So like it has different little squares for like months and days. And then you fill in here like the color of the type of workout. I think you can like, you know, just fill it in by color blocks. So there's cardio, weights, yoga, and rest day. That's fun. Oh, can my unorganized ass be sensible enough to use this? Because that would be really fun to look back at with all the little colory things. I'm going to try, because I love stuff like this. I love like stationery and organizational stuff and planners and organizers and lists. I can't stick to them. So I really am going to try, because this is super cute and I like the idea of it, and I really do need to get my ass up because I am shockingly unfit and I am not feeling great about it. So this will be a challenge, but I'm going to try. So that is everything in this box. It feels a bit empty because we're missing the, I've lost the piece of paper, but the thing that we were supposed to get that couldn't. But yeah, no, I like everything here. Definitely whenever I have the water bottle, and then I can have this, and then I can have that, and then I can have my little water bottle that we still need to get. And whenever we go back to the gym, I look ridiculous. I am going to feel real spooky and real cute. So pretty happy about that. I was just cleaning up and I realized I forgot to read out the thing. The window's open now, so sorry if there's background noise, but this will be fast. Custom made moon headband, yes. Custom made drink up witch's water bottle. No, but at some point. Custom made daily workout tracker print, yes. Custom made running from my demon's pin, yes. You goth this motivational art print, yes. Custom made spooky skull gym towel, yes. Set of 3 spiral gym hair ties, yes. And tennis balls bubblegum, yes. Okay. So yes, I do hope you enjoyed this. I know this kind of thing isn't for everyone, but you know, trying to be active and healthy is, just after it's something that most people, almost everyone, can benefit from. You know, like a lot of people put too much focus whenever it comes to like, you know, being active and stuff on just weight loss, but it doesn't have to be about weight loss at all. You know, if that's not something you want, there's a whole host of more important benefits to being active. I know sometimes it's hard. I don't like working out. I genuinely am not one of those people who gets like that, you know, like endorphin rush or anything. I do not. I don't have fun working out. It's not something I enjoy, but it is something I want to try to do more just for the sake of my health, because whenever you're like out of breath going up the stairs, you know there's a problem. So yeah, I personally really, really love this, and I hope other people enjoyed it too, but I get to, you know, just depends. I don't know, I'm rambling too much. It is really warm up here, but I have to close my window while I record because my neighbors are out there and it's a whole thing. So yeah, a little bit, what's the word? Loopy. So I am going to head off and figure out what else to do today. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad I finally got this box. Remember to leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Because obviously things right now are kind of awful. I really do hope everyone is coping. I know I've been struggling a bit. You know, if you're struggling too, don't feel bad, because I think a lot of us are, but hopefully we can all get through this together and eventually things will be good again. So, and finally, before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be super amazing. And Patreon is a great way to support this channel since YouTube isn't great for that. So the link for that is down in the description if you want to have a little look and see if that's something you'd be interested in joining. That would be awesome. I'm going to go. I'm going to open the window just for a little while because I am burning up, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies.